Assalamualaikum and good morning, guys. This week we will learn about the new topic sound. At the end of the lesson, pupils will be able to number one, state the sound produced by vibration, number two, describing sound moving in all directions, and number three, give examples of sound phenomena in everyday life. For the first topic, vibrations and sound. Sound produced by vibration. Sound can be generated in several ways. Number one, blowing. When the flute is blown, the air inside the flute vibrates. Number two, knocking. When the xylophone is tapped, the xylophone vibrates. Number three, plucking or bowing. A rope that is picked up or rubber vibrates. And lastly, clapping. The cymbal pieces vibrate when clapped. Faris and his friends perform in a school band. Let's observe the situation. Number one, blowing. When the flute is blown, the air inside the flute vibrates, so it will produce sound. Knocking. When the xylophone bar is knocked, the bars vibrate. This is xylophone. Clapping. When cymbal pieces are clapped together, they vibrate. Plucking or bowing. When the strings of the guitar are plucked or bowed, they vibrate. Based on the situation above, how is sound produced? Sound produced by vibration.
Jeff and Alex are walking down the street. They hear different sounds. They hear the horn from the cars, the siren from the ambulance, the laughter of the children at the playground, and the sound of the guitar at the park. They are now going back to their homes. They go in opposite directions. Along the way, they hear the sound of a bell ringing from an ice cream seller, though they are in different locations. They are drawn to the sound of the ice cream vendor's bell. They are surprised and happy to see each other again. This is possible because sound travels in all directions. Do you know how sound is produced? Sound is produced by the vibrations of objects. Vibrations happen when something is moving back and forth quickly. When something vibrates, the air around the object also vibrates. The air vibrations enter our ears, which we hear as sound. Sound is produced in different ways. Examples include blowing, bowing, plucking, clapping, and knocking. The air inside the flute vibrates when it is blown. The strings of the guitar vibrate when they are plucked. And the strings of the violin vibrate when they are bowed. A sound is produced when two cymbals are clapped together. The bars of a xylophone vibrate when someone knocks on them.
Faris, Teruni, and Melan can hear the sound of the bell ringing from an ice cream seller even though they are at different positions. Why? This is because the sound is moved into all directions. Although they are at different positions, they can hear the bell ringing from an ice cream seller, as sound travels in all directions. Please bear in mind that sound travels in all directions. Observe the situation below. Cring! It's recess time. Line up, friends. The class is over. We will continue tomorrow. Why can the pupils on the upper floor hear the school bell? This is because sound travels in all directions. Sounds can be reflected. Faris and his family have just moved into a new home. As he speaks in the empty room, he hears his voice again. Hello, hello, hello. When a sound hits a hard surface, it is reflected. Direction of sound travels. When someone shouts hello, the direction of sound travel will move forward and reflected back after its fine hard surface. So the direction of reflection of sound is coming back to him. These are the examples of reflection of sound that occur around us. Number one, shouting in the cave. And number two, shouting in an empty hall. Phenomena of reflection of sound. Reflection of sound happens all around us. It is used by humans and animals in various ways. What are the phenomena of reflection of sound that are happening around us? Number one is echo. An echo is a sound produced when a sound is reflected on a hard surface. Second phenomena is ultrasound. Ultrasound is a sound that humans cannot hear but can be heard by animals such as bats, dolphins, and whales to navigate and detect the location of their prey. In the medical field, ultrasonic machines are used to detect organs in the body of patient or fetus in the womb. The third phenomena of reflection of sound is sonar. Sonar is a technology that reflects ultrasonic sound to detect objects in water. Based on the information above, we know that echo, ultrasonic, and sonar are examples of reflection of sound. As a conclusion for today's topic, number one, sound produced by vibration. Sound can be generated by blowing, knocking, plucking, bowing, and clapping. Sound moves in all directions. Sound can be reflected when it hit hard surface. Phenomena of reflector of sound are echo, ultrasonic, and sonar. That's all for this week. I hope all of you can understand what are sound about and try to answer the question that had been given. Thank you.